We all want to be the best versions of ourselves in all aspects of life. But usually we don't know where to begin, or we feel that it's too hard to start. The best way is to start at the beginning. Every single famous person that you know wasn't always on top. They needed to change a lot in their lives in order to climb a ladder to success. And you can do that too. Here are the things that you can do that will contribute to your life over the long run. Reduce time that you spend on smart devices to 1 or 2 hours a day. That way you will have much more productive time. Start reading books about self-improvement. There are 4 books that I would recommend to you as the beginner. The first book is the book about social skills, how to win friends and influence people. The second book is about personal awareness, magic of thinking big. The third book is about business skills, Rich Dad Poor Dad. And the fourth book is about habits. The book is called Atomic Habits. This book will help you to reduce your bad habits and implement good habits. You can find the link to these books in the description down below. Watch educational content /podcasts. For example, Jay Shetty, Andrew Huberman, Chris Williamson, Hamza Ahmed. Remember, at the end, create your own opinion about everything they said. Develop positive habits like making your bed, take a cold shower, go out for a run, prepare a good meal for your friends and family, or clean an apartment. There are many good habits that you can implement in your life. These are just a few examples that you can try. One of the best things that you can do on your self-improvement journey is to start something that you always wanted to do. For me, it's making YouTube videos on educational content like self-improvement. For you, it might be something else like training at some club or programming or whatever it is. Try something that you always wanted to do. And last but not least, spend time with people that will encourage you on your good habits and that will help you to achieve your goal. Thank you for watching. I wish you all the best on your journey to better self. Bye.